the Catawba shelter, which is probably about 1.5 miles before you get up to McAfee Knob. This is where a lot of the through hikers will stay overnight. Section hikers, overnighters, and day hikers take breaks. Nice little place. We're at an elevation of 2,460 feet at this point. And Lance and I are the only 2- and 4-legged creatures around this part. Just within a few feet of going out to see the McAfee Knob, probably one of the most photographed areas on the Appalachian Trail. And at this point, still hadn't met anybody or seen any other critters. So far we're all alone up here. The wind's howling pretty good, so I'm sure as soon as we step out here on the rock outcroppings, the hood's going up and we're going to walk steady. We finally made it up here to the knob, out here on the exposed outcropping. Wind's howling pretty good. Wind chill's probably about 5 degrees, so it's pretty really cold. But it's beautiful out here, as you can see. I've got my hood up, trying to fight the elements, and we're going to go around some of the ledge. Some of it has got a thick ice coating under the snow, so it wouldn't be too wise to travel that way. But anyway, I'll give you a quick view. Try not to slip up. That's the Catawba Mountain. When you cross over Tinker Ridge, over to Tinker Cliffs, down into Catawba Valley. So we really got a nice little dusting of snow through that Alberta cliff that came through last night. And it is cold and windy. Oh, that's staying warm up there in the shelter. It's a camel shelter. Didn't know if I got that in the background. And that's the privy. And the trail goes down yonder, out through those woods, across that ridge, and on. At the 18th Fire Road Junction. Got 2.5 miles to go back to the parking lot. And as of this point, Lance and I have the only tracks other than deer and other animal tracks out here. So nobody's come up the Fire Road or the Appalachian Trail. Okay, so we must be the only crazies out here. Oh well, gotta love it. Well, I'm at the end of the journey for today. Today's snow hike. It was an enjoyable one. 8.5 miles. About 5.5 hours outdoors today. breezy, a little cold, wind chilled down, snow on the ground, makes it a little harder to hike. But I want to thank you folks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. And I'd like to thank the website YouTube, so we can get stuff like this out. See ya. Get in the woods. Have a good day.